Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error, and the error code is 0x8D050004. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator and then copy all these commands one by one and then paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Now once this is done, now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to switch to different network. So if you have any other network available, you can switch to different network and then you can check. Still not working. You can use your phone hotspot. So you can turn on the data on your phone and then turn on the hotspot on your phone, and you can search for your phone network over here, connect to your phone network and then check. Still not working. Now if you have any kind of VPN installed, you can try to disable it, or you can even uninstall it and then check. Still not working. Make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. If set time zone automatically, if this is off, turn it on. If set time automatically is off, turn it on. Also click on sync now. This is important. Click on sync now. If you receive any error in red color, click on sync now multiple times and then go to time and language, go to language and region and make sure your country is selected. Select your country and then you can open Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. Clear the store cache using wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset Microsoft Store. So type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store and then click on app settings. Scroll down over here, you can see the repair option. Click on repair, and once the repair is done you can check. Still not working. You can reset Microsoft Store, so click on reset, and once the reset is done you can open Microsoft Store once again and then check. Still not working. The next step is to restart Windows Update, Microsoft Store install and background intelligence transfer service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then go to services. Find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down here, you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click. Click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. Now you can open Microsoft Store once this is done and then you can check. You can even update Microsoft Store. So if you are able to open Microsoft Store, then you can go to downloads option over here, click on downloads, and over here you can see check for update option. So click on check for update and update all. So you will see check for update. So click on check for update, and once all the updates are complete over here, then you can relaunch Microsoft Store and then you can check. If you're not able to do so, you can skip this step. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. Now for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste this command. This command is provided in the video description. Paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time and it will install all the Windows default apps. So let the process complete. During this process, if you see some errors in red color, just ignore it. Let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red. Once this is done, now you can open, you have to relaunch Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working, you can uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So you can copy this command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then make sure that you open it as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, and then paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Here you can see Microsoft Store is open right now. Once you run this command, it will be gone. So here you can see it will be gone. Hit the enter key over here once you paste the command. So here you can see Microsoft Store is gone. So even if you type in Microsoft Store over here right now, you won't find Microsoft Store anymore. Now to reinstall Microsoft, you can copy the second command, and then you can run this command in PowerShell window and then hit the enter key. Now this will reinstall Microsoft Store. Now you can try to open Microsoft Store and then you can check. So here you can see it's reinstalled now. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these sfc and dism command. For this, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, click on run as administrator, always open command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow, copy the first command and then paste it over here. Sorry, not this one, cmd. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run some scans. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, run the second command. On the same window, copy and paste this command. Once this scan is 100% complete, restart it again. And after the system restart, you can launch Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. Run this inetcpl.cpl. So type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to Advanced tab, scroll down. Over here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. All four are checked. Make sure all four are checked and then hit apply. Apply is important. Hit apply and then click on OK. And then you have to relaunch Microsoft Store. You have to launch Microsoft Store once again and then check. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update in Security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, open Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, then go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Over here you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, log into the computer and then you can open Microsoft Store. Still not working. Next step is to update Windows using media creation tool. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this. So click on accept over here. And then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. And then select ISO file over here. And then click on next. And then set the location. You can set it to desktop. Click on save. And then let the process complete. This process will take some time. And once the download is complete, you will see the finish option. So hit finish. So when you hit finish, you will see the screen. Setup is cleaning up before it closes. So do not close from here. Let it close automatically. Once you click on finish, it will close automatically. Now go to desktop and you can open this, make a double click on this Windows ISO file. Make a double click and then you will see the setup file. Make a double click on setup file and then click on yes to allow. And then click on next over here. Click on accept. This process will take some time. And here you can see at the end, ready to install. By default, keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Now you can click, make sure you have a check over here. And you have an option to change what to keep. So make sure keep personal files and app is checked, and then you can click on install. And this process will take some time. After the installation, and log into the computer and then you can open Microsoft Store and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.